Anong decision mo ngayon, Dennis?
I still have other children that I can concentrate with. Kung hindi na nila ako matatanggap, hindi ko na rin matatanggap yung treatment na nangyari. Kasi ang feeling ko, dun sa March 18 dinner, kaya akala ko that was a reunion of love eh. Ang feeling to, the welcome that I had dun sa dinner na yun was so lively and maganda, masarap. And then sabi ni Chloe, I want you to look good. So ang feeling ko, dun sa I want you to look good, Papa, on that day. Kahit ikaw, sabihan ka ng anak mo nun, anong ibig sabihin nun? You look good as a guest ba? Yun ba ang dating sa'yo?
Ano talaga yung feeling mo na ikaw maghahatid sa altar?
Yes, because of those words. Okay? Mga 8 ng umaga, I message Chloe. Sabi ko, I'm so happy for both of you. Love, more love. Chu. Mami, ang konti, nagriring yung telepono ko. Wala pang 2 minutes. Si Chloe. Sabi niya, good morning pa. Sabi ko, why? I need to tell you something. Sabi ko, what? Any problem? Ano sabi niya? Why hindi ko tuloy yung kasal? Sabi ko, why? What happened? Tapos umiyak. She was trying to control it. Kaya lang, nung magsalita ako na medyo nabasag yung boses ko, umiyak. Sabi ko, why are you crying? What happened ba? Anyway, huwag mo na sagutin yung tanong ko. If you're not happy with it, don't do it. If you are not sure with it, don't do it. English ako, English area yun. Sabi niya pa kasi napilitan siya magsalita kasi for the past 1 week, hindi ko nakikita yung interest ni Basti na magpakasal kami. Parang hindi siya sure. Sabi ko, ay mahirap yan anak. Huwag ka nang tumuloy. It's okay. People will understand. I will understand. Sabi ko, number 1, you're beautiful. Number 2, you are still young. And number 3, you are a very good human being. Cry and then move on. Huwag lang magpakasal. Huwag mo nang ituloy. Oh, sige Papa. Okay, thank you Papa. Binaba. Salita.